Less than an hour ago, the White House announced the expulsion of 60 Russian diplomats, the shuttering of the Russian consulate in Seattle. And this is all in response to the nerve agent poisoning of Sergei Skripal, a Russian ex-spy in Britain. And also around an hour ago, the EU announced that 14 member states were also expelling more than 24 Russian diplomats. Now, given the fact that the British investigation into this poisoning is still ongoing, do you think that it is premature maybe to start kicking out Russian diplomats?
I don't. I think it was the right call. I think it was, this is done in solidarity with our allies in Britain. I think it's fantastic that other European nations, including the Czech Republic right here, followed suit as well. And I think it was an entirely appropriate action to take.
Because, I mean, there was a Russian murder case in the 1990s in which a scientist admitted that a military-grade poison had been sold onto the black market and used in the killing of a businessman.
I think the evidence is fairly clear in this particular case, and I think the British had made their case pretty clear. And this is something that Russia has been doing. And this is something that we think that Russia has done. This should not be tolerated. This is not something that civil nations do. And so I think it's an entirely appropriate response and done in solidarity with our great allies in Great Britain. And I'm pleased to see other European nations join suit.
It's also an escalation. The Kremlin has already vowed to respond in kind.
Escalate, I guess the question is who got
diplomatic
this started. Sure, it's a diplomatic explanation, but that's why something like this should not be tolerated. Poisoning and killing people, especially with a nerve agent like this, poisoning and killing people on the soil of other countries is something that civil nations do not do, should not do, and that's why it should not be tolerated.